Hey guys, so the hair I'm using is by Monster Hair on AliExpress. I've got the color 613, a 14-inch lace frontal, and two 16-inch bundles. I'm going to go ahead and use the Got to Be Glue spray. I'm going to use that on the lace so I can just prevent any color from actually staining the lace itself, because we want to color the hair but not the lace. So we're going to let that dry after spraying it, just because we want the actual lace itself to be coated, and that usually takes about a minute or two, and we go ahead with the color. So for the coloring process, I'm using a clear container and boiling water. Other people you'd like to use warm water, but I feel like boiling hot water works the best. And this is literally fresh off the kettle, so it is boiling, so be careful with that. Also wear your gloves because this actually can stay in your hands, so safety first. And the color I'm using is Adore Pink Petal. It's a nice cotton candy pink. I'm just adding that to the water to get the perfect shade of pink that I wanted, which was a cotton candy obviously. And I did just use half of the bottle, so you won't need much for this watercolor method. So I didn't really use any measurements when adding the color. I just eyed it out. I used a sample from one of the hair strands just to see what it turns out, and I just added more colors just to get the preferred shade that I wanted. So now I'm just unraveling the hair. I did that to both bundles just so I could get the hair color to spread through the hair properly and prevent any blonde streaks from popping out. So now I'm just dipping the hair into the water, starting with the ends, just because I like the color to be a bit more uniform when I finish. And guys, this water is really hot, so I try to use my little coloring brush just to spread the hair around and make sure the color actually gets on all the hair and prevent any streaks from popping out. So this is the hair after being left in for literally about 2 minutes. As you can see, the water is actually turning clear, which shows that the hair has actually absorbed the color so well. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the bundles out of the water. As you can see guys, the water actually turns clear. So the hair has actually absorbed all the color that I put in. But now I need to do the frontal, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the same amount of color that I added in earlier. And I'm going to repeat the process with the frontal as well. So I did leave that in the water as well for 2 minutes, and as you can see, the frontals actually absorbed all the color again, so that's showing that it's working. And I'm just going to go ahead and actually, oh by the way, I did now end up using the whole bottle. I forgot because I did use half the bottle for the bundles and the other half for the frontal. And I'm going to put all the hair back in the water and just let that sit in there for a bit and absorb all the color. And that's it guys, so the hair was left in for 5 minutes after that, and this is what it looks like. So just leave me a comment if you want to actually see how I created the wig and installed the wig as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Sending much love to you guys.